Hello, for this week's tip of the week, I thought I would share some feedback that I get from students quite often, which is that they really enjoy getting feedback on their assignments. So when you are in the Grade Center and you've opened an assignment, when you go over to the attempt score area and you click and you type in the score, I always put assignment comments that are specific to the assignment. So for example, I might say, "Thank you for completing all the requirements of the assignment. You demonstrated your learning about," and then whatever the topic is, and then give an example. "I really liked what you said about Y." And then I hit submit. And what I found is when I get feedback from students on my evaluations, there are lots of comments always about getting feedback, and then there are other comments about the fact that they don't get feedback from other instructors. So something like, "I really like that I've gotten feedback on my assignments and that it's specific. I don't often get feedback from my other instructors." Another thing that I thought quickly I would share is in my announcements, I've gotten feedback from students about the structure and detail that I put in my announcements. And perhaps this is overboard, but this is just another quick example for you. So in each week's announcement, I will put a summary of whatever is coming up, the preparation activities. You'll notice that I've hyperlinked everything, and then here are the assignments, and then anything else I have that for them to do with specific dates. And then I have a summary down here at the bottom. And again, everything is hyperlinked to make it really easy for the students. And then the other thing that I always do is I make sure that I have a section for assignment due dates so that students know when things are due. And I hope this helps you, and good luck. Thank you very much.